Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best data science learning platforms for 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, if you're ready to learn data science, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So first up, we have Coursera. So it's perfect for everyone from beginners to pros. With courses from top universities like Stanford and IBM, you'll get a structured path with certifications that really stand out. Whether you're looking for a quick course or a full data science specialization, Coursera has got you covered. Plus, you learn at your own pace on Coursera. You can start a free trial right here in order to subscribe. Next, we have EDX. So, EDX is another powerhouse in online learning. With courses from institutions like MIT and Harvard, it's an ideal platform if you're after university level education. You can even earn a MicroMasters or a full online degree. If you're looking to dive deep into data science, EDX is the way to go. For those who want prestigious university feel with a flexible schedule, EDX is a top contender for you. And lastly, we have DataCamp. DataCamp is designed specifically for data science lovers. It's interactive, hands on, and perfect for learning by doing. Whether you're a beginner looking to get your hands dirty with Python or an experienced pro wanting to master machine learning, DataCamp offers courses tailored to all skill levels. The interactive coding exercises make it feel like you're learning in the real world. So there you have it, three platforms to learn data science in 2025. Whether you're just getting started or already an expert, Coursera, EDX, and DataCamp all offer something unique. The best part, you can get started today no matter where you are in your learning journey. So let me know in the comments which platform you're the most excited to try or already using. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech tips. See you in the next video.